You know what? I think Zay Zay should open this one.
Okay, Zay Zay, let's close this up, Papa.
I think you should open this one. What is it? What is it, Zay Zay? What is it? What is it? Oh no, oh no. Whoa!
I still don't know what it is.
Let's show the package first. So, it is a rainbow bag. It's a children's bag, basically.
Cool. Where's
By Zoe Zoe. Zoe Zoe. X Bear Bends.
It says children are born artists, help children open that door.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, take it out from the package. Is it cool?
It's a rocket ship backpack.
It's a backpack.
So cute.
This is a backpack. It's zipper, and inside there's a bunch of things in there. And it's really cool because it's almost like a hardcover. See that? So it's the shape sticks to how it is. Okay, turn around, turn around. Whoa, Zay Zay, that's so cool, bud. Zoe Zoe, thank you so much. This is so sweet.
This is so fun.
So fun. Zay Zay, do you like the backpack? Yeah, he likes it.
What is this one?
And he really liked those extra stickers in there.
How would you stick it on your backpack?